And here you go, you guys. The first plate of that delicious, creamy Alfredo. Fettuccine Alfredo, y'all. Look at there. Chicken fettuccine Alfredo. Look at there with that beautiful garlic butter croissant to go with it. And we packed it up with some beautiful peas and red and green and pepper and onion mixture. And you follow that recipe. It's easy. It's awesome. You can use this for a lot of occasions when you can't think of anything else. This will do. And you're going to love this dish. I tell you, you plate that up for your special guests or your family. And you're going to just thank God for you. And thank you for inviting them. Thank you for whatever that function, a great big event. If you need to make pans and pans, just double up on the recipe, triple up on the recipe. And I tell you, if you're catering, triple up on the recipe. Somebody. God bless y'all. I'm so glad you came. So glad you stopped in, and like, share, and subscribe. And enjoy this beautiful, delicious, creamy chicken fettuccine Alfredo and a beautiful, nice, buttery garlic butter croissant. If you want to make a nice salad, you can. Slice some tomatoes, you can. Broccoli. But this is self-sufficient, I believe. What you think? Comment. Who thinks this is enough? Who thinks because of the little vegetables that I added in? Nice cheese sauce. You keep tasting that Parmesan until you know you got that good, you got enough in there. This is what I do. I don't use the recipe. Eyeball and go along until I know that I've got enough in. I taste it with my finger so I'm not double dipping in the dish. I don't want nobody to do that to me, so I don't do that to nobody. God bless and keep you safe. Stay with God, y'all. Trust in Him, because something good is going to happen. Love you so much from the Blessed Living channel. See you next video.